Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what we're gonna be talking about is a really good one, all right? We're gonna be talking about your trading performance and your chakras, okay? Your trading performance and your chakras. This is gonna be a very profound video, and it's gonna help you guys with a lot of things, not just in trading, but in your life. All right. So I want you guys to lock in and be open to what I'm saying. Okay. Some of y'all, depending on who you are, depending on what you believe in, you may not believe in this, but I do. And I know that this is a real thing. And so I want to share this with you. All right. So if you did not know, there's something called our body. We have something called chakras. Okay. Now, we have a lot of chakras throughout our body. There's 7 main ones, but we also have chakras in our feet and other stuff. But a chakra is an energy center, okay? It's an energy center. And in this energy center, depending on where it's at in your body, it is in correlation with certain parts of yourself. And if that energy center is blocked, you're gonna have challenges in your life that are in that category. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down these different energy centers and what is the correlated, thing about them. And then from there, we will be able to break this down, and I'm going to help you see how this is affecting your trading as well. Okay? So we're going to start off. And I got this photo right here, right? Now, like I said, we got 7 main ones, right? Now, I'm going to start from the bottom to the top, okay? From the bottom to the top. Now, your first 3 chakras are developed in your formative years of your life, and then the next 4 are throughout your life, all right? This is how it goes. So first we have your root chakra, okay? Your root. It's at the base, right? At the very bottom of yourself. This is controlling your survival, your safety, and your grounding, right? Next, we have your sacral chakra, okay? This is your emotion, your creativity, and your pleasure, right? So a lot of sexual energy is in your sacral chakra, okay? Your solar plexus is your power, your will, your confidence, right? Confidence is a big one for your solar plexus. The heart chakra, right? Your love, your compassion, your balance, right? Your heart chakra. The solar plexus is right here, right? In the stomach. And then you got your throat chakra, right? This is your truth, your expression, and your sound. Then you got your third eye, which is your pineal gland, right? It's your intuition, your perception, and your inner sight, right? And then you got your crown chakra, and that is your consciousness. This says cosmic unity and then divine energy, right? So these are your 7 energy centers. Now, like I say, if any of these chakras are blocked, you're going to have challenges in your life in these categories. Also, health ailments, right? So if you have stomach issues, then your solar plexus could be blocked, right? If you have heart issues, your heart chakra could be blocked, right? It's worth it to look into this stuff on a spiritual level. And this is why I say a lot of things in life are spiritual more than they are physical. A lot of times we think that everything is just spiritual. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. Right? We think that things are only physical. I cannot say this enough, but life is way more spiritual than it is physical. But because people are not able to see the spiritual world, because they're always focused on what they can see, they don't realize that what they can see is deceiving them. And what you can't see is more powerful than what you can see. So it's worth it to start learning how to close your eyes so you can really see clearly, rather than thinking that what you see is what the truth is. Because the truth is not what you can see. The truth is what you see when you do close your eyes. That's the real truth. Don't let that go over your head. All right? So now, right, don't forget what I said. These different energy centers, they develop as you grow up, right? The root chakra, that's at the very bottom of yourself, your body, your anatomy, right? At the very bottom. Your survival, your safety, and your grounding, right? So this is the first, when you're a child, when you're inside your mother's womb, you know if you feel safe or not. So if you have problems with feeling safe, you got to go back to when you was in the womb. Go ask your mom, how was you feeling when you was pregnant with me? So you can uncover some stuff about yourself. If you feel unsettled in your life, you got to ask yourself why. So you got to go back to your childhood and you got to really understand what was going on when I was a kid that made me feel like I had to be in survival mode. Then you start growing up a little bit more, right? Your emotions, your creativity, your pleasure, right? How are you starting to feel about life as you're growing up? Are you able to express yourself creatively? Do you have creative thoughts or not? You might have blockages around that, right? Sexual energy. People don't realize that sexual energy is just creativity. Because when you have sex and you ejaculate, you have the power to create a new what? Life. Creativity, right? This is why they talk about transmutation. Sexual transmutation. Because if you don't know how to take the creative energy and the only thing you know how to do is go ejaculate, right? You are missing out on the whole concept of creative energy, right? Sacral energy is very powerful. Then we got the solar plexus, your confidence. As you grow up, now you know, and around other kids, and now they're going to try to challenge your confidence. Or maybe you was growing up in a household that didn't give you confidence. Okay, now we got that. So if you got blockages, you're going to have, issues around confidence and your power. Then you grow up, love, right? How did love feel? Were you closed off? Did you not feel love? The heart chakra. If that heart chakra ain't active, you ain't never going to have no compassion for yourself, for anybody. Right? You ain't going to have balance. You're going to be one way or no way. Right? Your throat chakra. Right? Your truth, your expression. If you don't use your voice, right? If you don't express yourself, you scared to say what it is. Throat chakra. Go address it. Ask yourself, why am I afraid to speak up? Why am I afraid to communicate? Then we got the third eye, right? Your intuition, your perception, your inner sight. The ability to be able to see. If you got issues with being able to see and your intuition ain't really sharp, then we got the third eye, we got a pineal gland we got to sit here and address, right? Then we got the crown chakra, the consciousness. This brings everything together. This is your connection, right? Really think about this stuff. And I want you to pay attention to the fact that every single energy center has a color. So there are certain foods you could eat that align with these colors in your different energy centers, aka your chakras. Right? Real life. Go look this stuff up. Right? This is how you change your life. This is how you become God body. This is how you become a light worker. This is how you tap in with yourself. This is how you do it. Okay? So these are all your energy centers. So now we just went over them in 2 different ways. Now let's talk about trading. Your root chakra, right? Your foundation, your risk management, okay? Your financial security, right? Are you operating out of survival mode? If your root chakra is blocked, you're not going to have a good foundation for trading. So you need to ask yourself, is my root chakra blocked? Right? Straight up. Next, your sacral, your emotions, right? Your creativity, your pleasure, right? Do you revenge trade? Are you chasing trades? Right? What is your emotional relationship with money? What is your emotional relationship with trading? If it's blocked, you're going to have a bad relationship with trading. If it ain't balanced out, if it ain't attuned, you're going to have a bad situation, right? Your solar plexus, right? What I say, your confidence, hesitating to get in trades. You ain't confident in yourself, right? Getting in way too early, second guessing yourself, right? All these things are messing with your trading, right? Cutting winners too short, staying in losers too long. Your solar plexus is blocked. So you're going to keep going through the same thing until you unlock and unblock that solar plexus. All right? Your heart chakra, right? Having compassion for yourself, being patient with yourself on the journey, being too hard on yourself, right? That's the heart chakra. Okay? How you feeling? Trading without ego, being detached. Being detached. Oh, I took a loss. It ain't my life. This is not my identity. Right? If your heart chakra is messed up, one loss is going to make you, right? It's going to take you out the game. What else we got? Your throat chakra. What is this about? Accountability, communication, journaling your trades, communicating with yourself why you got in, why you got out, right? Taking that accountability, not knowing why you got into a trade. If I asked you, why'd you get in this trade and you don't want to talk about it, or if you take a loss and I'll be like, why'd you lose this money and you don't want to talk about it, your throat chakra blocked. That's going to stop you from progressing. And you got to think about your whole life. Right? Your third eye, your pineal gland, pattern recognition, right? That's a big one. Your intuition, right? If that's blocked, you ain't gonna have no pattern recognition. You ain't gonna be able to see the charts clearly. You gotta tap in right here. You gotta clear this, right? Then your crown chakra, right? This is you being able to bring everything together and surrender to the process, right? Surrender to the whole process, right? Knowing that, hey, everything good. I got the bigger picture in mind. I trust everything about myself because I've worked on myself from the root to the crown. I've cleansed my energy, right? I trust the bigger picture here. That's how your energy centers and your chakras are affecting your trading and your life. From health issues and concerns to your trading performance to your personal life, all of that. If you are not able to understand that we have energy centers and we all have blockages and we got to be able to address these blockages, then it's always going to be an issue. It's always going to be something that pops up. All right? So listen, if you made it to this far in the video, this may not be a popular video, but I know it's needed. If you made it this far, man, I want you to say, yo, I am a light. You know what I'm saying? I'm healing myself. We all got to heal. And you can't heal what you don't reveal. Right? So ask yourself, where am I lacking in my life? With these energy centers, what part of my life is blocked? You know where you blocked at. If you take enough time to sit down with yourself and ask yourself what it is and what's going on, you know what's wrong with yourself. You know where you at. Don't run away from yourself. Embrace yourself. All right? So look, y'all. I hope that this video helps you guys out, and I hope that you had a breakthrough. Okay? Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right? Also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at y'all on the next video. All right? Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.